Welcome back everybody. So this is by far my most detailed project to date. So it is going to be a set of drums from Walnut and Maple Burr. So we're starting off with the mid-size rougher at the moment from Easy Wood Tools, and I may get some of the parts of the drum wrong here. So if I do, please feel free to correct me in the comments section down below. But I believe this first one is called the bass. This is the one that's going to hold the Bluetooth speaker. So we've got it shaped at the moment. And now we're going to drill in with the Forstner bit. I drilled in about 3/4 of the way because it was held on with a worm screw. And then obviously flipped it round and drilled right through. There you go. Okay, so I've already done most of the sanding. This is probably all of the sanding you're going to see on all of the drums, because I didn't want to let you watch all of the sanding, because that would be quite a watch otherwise. So that was just 240 grit from Klingspor, with methylated spirits or denatured alcohol to clean out the grain. Some sanding sealer. I finished all of the drums exactly the same. And some Yorkshire Grit Abrasive Paste. You can get this from Northside Custom Crafts in the USA or Axminster if you are in the UK. Links down below. There we go, some original Lustre wax from Hampshire Sheen. If you'd like to purchase any Hampshire Sheen products used in this video, there will also be a link down in the description for that. Just make sure to get nice even coverage with the lathe pretty slow. Turn the lathe up to about 1000 to 1200 and then buff it in nice and slowly, being careful not to push on too hard, so you don't want to wipe off any wax that you just pushed on. Okay, we're going to get to the next drum. I did 3 of these, they're all the same size, and this one is the snare and the tom-toms. That will be the 2 sitting above the bass. I'm just going to get that turned round to shape now using the mid-size finisher. and a mid-size rougher. Using the pencil depth gauge there, very useful tool. Okay, we've got the mid-size rougher again, and we'll take it down to its final shape. There we go. Like I said, I finished all the drums exactly the same, so that's the last bit of that one. And this one here is the floor top, I believe it's called. Once again, if I'm incorrect with any of the parts of the drum kit, please feel free to correct me in the comments section. And back to the mid-size finisher. Let's get this one to shape. And the rougher. I'm already starting at this point to think in my head, I need to do something better to the drum kits. I'm not quite happy with them. But you will see a little bit later on in the video what I actually do. There we go, just marking it out. There, taking the parting tool and just getting rid of that waste there. There we go. And the mid-size rougher to flatten off the top. And then we can take it down to final shape. There we go. Alright, so we're getting to the cymbal at the moment. So we're going to get that firstly down to round, and then we're going to turn it to shape using the mid-size finisher. Okay. Give it a quick sand with 400 grit from Cymbal. Give it a quick wipe with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. And then we're going to finish it with some Danish oil from Hampshire Sheen. Alright, so now we've got one of the snares or one of the tom-toms on there, and we're going to put some inlay into it. Give it a bit of a nice contrasting of lighter and darker woods. Make it look like one of the skins of the drum kit. Okay, so now we've got a piece of sycamore on the lathe. So we're going to turn that down to round now, using the mid-size finisher. Just quickly making a 10 on there so we can hold it in the chuck. rougher, just flattening off the top. Keen eyes of you there may have just seen that the tool rest moved a little bit there. And there you go. Remember, lock down your tool rest. Give it a quick test fit and need a little bit more taken off. And perfect. Take down the rest of the waste now. I only show doing this to one of the drums. I don't think you need to see it all to happen to all of them. Again, I'm going to part it all there and take it off, and then with a flush cut saw just to take it all off. Okay, so now we're just going to clean it up and make it nice and flush with the rest of the drum. We're going to do this with the mid-size rougher. Okay. Alright, we're going to give it a nice sand with 400 grit. Bit of a wipe with methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. And we're going to go over it with a bit of Hampshire Sheen finishing wax. Once again, I did this for all of the drums. Okay, this one's a tough one for me. I believe this one is called the hi-hat cymbal. So, yeah. We're going to start turning this round when with a detailer. And this is the mid-size finisher. Back to the detailer. Went to and fro between a few tools on this one. Ultimately, I used the detailer quite a lot for this one. And there's the micro detailer right at the end. And there we go, a nice bit of sand in there with some 400 grit again. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. And this is some more Danish oil just to finish it off, once again from Hampshire Sheen. Really brings out that pearl. Okay, so this is going to be the final parts, which is the stands. So there's a piece of walnut that we've got on here. We're just going to do a little bit of shaping. I didn't show any of the assembly, but it was all put together with some 3mm brass rods. The video was already getting quite lengthy, so but anyway, that was sanded up to 240 grit that time with cling spore. There's some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some Yorkshire Grit Abrasive Paste. And some wax from Hampshire Sheen. Thank you very much for getting this far into the video. I'm planning on doing more fun projects just like this one. I'm super proud of it. I hope you enjoyed it too. If you want to see more fun projects just like this one, click that video right about there. Until the next week's video, I shall see you then. Take it easy. Bye bye for now.